Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to Java Gurukul. I'm too excited to share my first tutorial with you. My first tutorial is related to Java's introduction. But before this, I want to tell you 5 basic W's of it. Because as per my opinion and when I was a student, I observed that if we are familiar with the 5 basic W's, we can easily understand what is it. We can understand its history, we can understand its features, and we can also understand what they will provide to us. So these 5 basic W's you can get easily by my story. So I'm going to tell you a story by which you can get the 5 basic W's by your own. Years ago, there was a company named Sun Microsystem. The company sold computers components, electronic consumer devices, softwares, and IT services. In 1991, the company wanted to design a language that allow electronic consumer devices to communicate with each other. But before this, it was not possible, and they also wanted the language should be portable, secure, and platform independent. For this purpose, the Sun Microsystems engineers team were created. Patrick Newton, Mike Sheridan, and James Gosling were the member of that team. The team name was Green Team. James Gosling was leading that team, and he is also known as father of Java. In 1991, C and C++ was already in the market, but they had many unwanted features and very confusing. For this purpose, they took C and C++ and removed all the unwanted features from it, like pointers, multiple inheritance, destructors, friend classes and functions, scope resolution operator, and operator overloading, and gave it a name Oak. Oak became very simple, familiar, easy to use, but still platform dependent language. For this purpose, they invented bytecode, which is not readable by the human being and not understood by the machines. For this purpose, they invented virtual machine, which accepts bytecode and convert it into machine code, and this process is called platform independent. In 1992, the target was achieved, but it's not finished yet. In 1993, the World Wide Web became very popular and people were using their systems to communicate with one another. And Sun Microsystem also wanted to add some features into Oak so it make it distributed environment language. So they added sockets that allow low-level network communication, RMI that allow Java to Java network communication, and servlets that allow the implementation of websites and web services. In 1995, the Oak became very popular with their features. Microsoft and Netscape Navigator gave their support to it. And Sun Microsystem renamed Oak programming language into Java. So I hope you get 5 basic W's of Java, like where, in Sun Microsystem, when, in 1991 to 1995, who, James Gosling obviously, why, that allow electronic consumer devices communication, what, platform independent, secured, robust, and distributed language. And in this session, we understood why Java is invented, how it is different from C and C++, how it became distributed language. And for upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon.